Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm Eka Apriani from the Management Program, class 24A. Okay, so in this video, I will explain the material about Introduction to Linear Function. Okay, so definition. A linear function is a polynomial function of the form y amount mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Properties. Linear functions are characterized by a constant rate of change, representing a straight line on a graph. Application. Linear functions are widely used in business, finance, and economics to model and analyze various scenarios. Next, linear function and their application in business mathematics. Linear functions are fundamental mathematical models used extensively in business and finance. They provide a simple yet powerful way to describe and analyze relationship between variables and enabling decision makers to solve a variety of practical problems. Characteristic of linear function. Constant rate of change. The slope or rate of change remains the same throughout the entire function. Y-intercept. The y-intercept represent the value of the function when the input x is 0. Domain and range. Linear functions have an unlimited domain and can take on any real number value. Slope and y-intercept of linear function. Slope m. The slope represents the rate of change between the dependent and independent variables. Y-intercept b. The y-intercept is the value of the function when the input x is 0. Calculation slope and y-intercept. Formulas and techniques to determine the slope and y-intercept of linear function. Next, graphing linear function. Plotting points. Identifying k point on the function such as the y-intercept and points with specific x values. Transformation. Applying transformation such as translation and reflection to modify the graph of a linear function. Slope-intercept form. Using the equation y amount mx plus b to graph the linear function as a straight line, parallel and perpendicular lines. Identifying and constructing parallel and perpendicular linear function based on their slopes. Next, modeling business scenarios with linear function. Renoff and Coase. Using linear function to model and analysis Renoff, cost and profit relationship in business. Supply and demand. Applying linear function to describe the relationship between supply, demand, and market equilibrium. Financial forecasting. Employing linear function to project future financial outcomes such as sales, inventory, and cash flow. Optimization problems using linear function. Objective function. Defining the linear function that represents the goals such as maximizing profit or minimizing costs. Constraints identifying the limitation and restriction that must be considered in the optimization problem. Solving for optimal solution. Applying mathematical techniques such as graphing or simplex or sample method to find the optimal solution. Linear programming and decision making. Graphical method. Visualizing and solving linear programming problems using coordinate plane. Simplex method. A systematic algorithm for solving linear programming problems. Brainsley. Decision making. Applying linear programming to support strategic decision making in business. Break-even analysis using linear function. Total runoff. Modeling total runoff as linear function of the number of units sold. Total cost. Representing total cost as linear function including fixed and variable costs. Break-even point. Determine the point where total runoff and total cost intersect. Indication the break-even point. Next, practical application and cost studies. Pricing strategies. Using linear function to set optimal prices based on demand, cost, and profit consideration. Inventory management. Applying linear function to model and optimize inventory level, production, and distribution. Investment analysis. Employing linear function to evaluate investment opportunities and make informed financial decisions.
Audio Jungle.